It's your boy Kev coming back at you with another It's the Bomb video. How would you like to make some money just for doing a simple search for free, available anywhere in the world? Well, stick around because the bomb is falling down on you. Boom! Alright, welcome back to the video, guys. In this video, like I told you, I'm going to show you how you can make some easy money just by doing a simple search. And it's pretty interesting what's coming up because this thing is in its infancy. So you're going to want to stick around. Now, first of all, if this is your first time to my videos or you've been here before and still haven't yet subscribed yet, I don't know what's holding you back. Reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification button so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here. Anything to do with making money and affiliate marketing to help you bring financial freedom and time freedom into your life. Okay? Alright, well, let's get started on this video here. I'm excited to show this to you. We're going to come right over here to our favorite Opera browser right here. We'll click on this. You're going to want to come over to this website right here. Look up here in the address bar. I'll see if I can zoom it in for you a little bit here. Bring it down. Right there, it's presearch.org. P-R-E search.org. Okay? And then when you come here to this site, this is going to pop up right here. It's a sign-up form or login form. But if you see right here, it says, Welcome to Presearch, and look at this right here. Get paid to search. Get paid to search here. Now, I've already signed up for my account and logged in, and so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Basically, you can just click on Create an Account here. This is free, and then it'll take you through. Put your email address and a password in. Make sure you save it to your notepad or some file on your computer where you, in case you forget it, you know where to get it at. Okay, and then you just once you get signed up, they don't send you any kind of an email confirmation or anything like that. You just go ahead and log right in. You have to make sure you check this damn little CAPTCHA thing here. I hate these things. And then just click log in. And then when you log in, the nice thing about this site is when you do a search, you're going to get paid in what's called Presearch cryptocurrency. Alright? Let's have a look at that. I saw this site and I got to thinking, let's look a little bit further into this because I've never heard of this before, Presearch cryptocurrency. So I went to Bing over here and I did a search and I typed in up here in the address bar pre-tokens price. And it comes down here and says right here, it says Presearch is a cryptocurrency token that's issued on the Ethereum platform. The Presearch price today is about 0.01520599 with a 24-hour trading volume of 74,000. So you can see that this is a fairly new cryptocurrency coin, okay? And it's traded on the Ethereum platform. You can find it on the market. It is real. As you can see down through here, some of these other articles talk about the market cap, chart, and fundamentals, and so on and so forth of it. So it is a real, on-the-market cryptocurrency. So it's for real. Now, so anyways, when you come here, you get signed up, get logged in, you see up here to the right, I've already made 0.5 a pre-search token. They call it tokens, but it's coins, the same thing. And all you do is you can set your search to whatever you want it to be, and you can click on here and you can choose your different things right here that you can work with your settings, providers, profile, change password, and invite friends, so on and so forth. You can do different providers through here and search on their platforms, such as Amazon right here. When you click on it, you see Amazon here. You could search on Amazon platform through the Presearch website and get tokens for that. And as you can see here, there's all kinds of places. You can even do Google, different Google searches here, and so on and so forth. And there's all kinds, as you can see, and you can make money off of all of these as long as you set it as your default search engine on the presearch.org website. Well, right now mine is currently set to just the default one, as you see right here, the Presearch default. And then you can switch over to different ones, and then they got Twitter, even Facebook, and other Presearch things here. And then you can also advertise on this site. If you look up here at the upper right, you click advertise, and you can advertise on the site too, and fill out a form, and then you can also buy coins if you wanted to, and start and use this to advertise in this search engine just like you would with Google. You know, Google ads, right? Well, how about Presearch ads? Probably a little bit cheaper to do, I would think, since you're using the coins, and the coins are relatively cheap at this point. Now, and then it talks about them a little bit. Excuse me. And so anyway, so when we come back here, for example, if I want to just do a search, you see I've already made, let's just do a search, for example. We'll just type in, since we're talking about making money here, we'll just type in affiliate marketing. Since we're talking about marketing, right? Internet marketing. Now I do a search for that, and it loads up Presearch's results, and you see there's all kinds of stuff down through here. Different pages, a whole bunch of pages to do with affiliate marketing, right? So now let's go back and see how much money I made just for that little search right there. So if I come back, hit my back button, and it hasn't showed up just yet. I wonder if it will here. Oh, I got an eligible token and rewarded another. Oh, there it is. Now it changed. You see it up there? It shows one pre-token. I've done 2 searches so far. You're allowed up to, now when you get signed into here, the first time you get signed in, they're going to take you through a little tour, and it'll talk about searching here and making cryptocurrency as you search, and it'll talk about each one of these, and you click next, and it flips you through, shows you here, and you can access your account information by clicking here as well, just like you saw when I clicked this gear button down here. And then you can set your default search engine. It takes you through a little tour about it. There's about 6 different things that it takes you to. And then you just click next until it says that's all for now. And then you're ready to go and do your search at that point and start your searches. You can set this, as they do have a Chrome extension, and you can set this on Chrome as your default search engine. So whatever search you do, you're making crypto coins. Now, you're allowed up to 32 searches per day. That's a total of 8 coins, okay? 32 searches per day on here. Well, I don't know, that's a lot of searching, 32 times a day. You'd have to be sitting around doing a lot of researching or something like that to rack up that many searches, I suppose, but I suppose it could be done, okay? So, needless to say, this here is how you can make some money. Now, as I said, you know, you can see the price of it here. Now, if I just, for example, type in right here, Presearch price, see what we come up with on that. You can see right here that Presearch reached its highest price on May. Let me zoom in on this for you guys. Presearch reached its highest price on the 16th of May of 2018. So you see this has been around almost 2 years, this coin. So it's still in its infancy, guys. But look at the price of it. It was trading at its all-time high of 93 cents per coin. It has a circulating supply of 155 million pre-tokens. So now is the time, I suppose, actually now is the time to get in on this token. And you can either make it by doing the searches for free, or you can buy the tokens like we saw earlier, because it's at its infancy. This thing could go up. If you had, you know, you had 100, 150 tokens, and the price went up on that on the market to, say, $5, which I would imagine eventually it's going to, just like anything else. Like Litecoin started out low and it built its way up. Right now it's about $37 or $38 without looking, something like that. Last time I looked a couple of weeks ago, it was about 37 bucks per coin. It got all the way up last year to about I think it was about $135 per coin. So depending on how many Presearch coins you have, and as the price of this rises, you can keep an eye on it on the market, and you could make you can make a lot of money with this. You really could. Also, guys, on this site here too, they also have a affiliate program that you can get involved in too. So that's two ways to make money. All right. Click on your account up here. You see the menu. You see where it says refer a friend. And you click on that and it'll bring you over. Now I've already signed up. You can refer, well, you get a referral link here, and you can sign up your friends and family and market this out on the internet and get people to sign up under you. And it says here you become eligible for 25 token bonus per referral. Once each referral has earned 50 search reward tokens and has been active for 30 days after their initial sign up. So here's another way you can make money with this. You can add to your account by marketing your affiliate link with Presearch. Alrighty, come over here, take action on this. You might as well sign up. You're doing searches anyway, and it probably pulls from Google's results anyway. Google being the master search engine of the world, and everything else comes off of Google. So, but nevertheless, you might as well get paid to do your searches and sign up and make this your search engine right here. Alrighty. Well, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today. Give me a thumbs up if you got some value out of this here video. Come over here and take action and check this place out, presearch.org. And don't forget to reach down and hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified. And leave a comment or like on the channel too as well. And also, if you want to see my #1 business, click up there where it says mentorwithkev.com down in the description below, and you can come over and get my free training video and check out my #1 recommended business behind that training video there, and see if that's a good fit for you. You can have a business up and running in 15 days of your own choosing, and you get a coach to help you set it up, and then you can have a chance to make anywhere up to from $300 to $4,000 in just one day. Alrighty, well guys, I'm gonna let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next It's the Bomb video. Take care. Bye bye now.